So, bio on the go. There we go. First thing it opens up with is a roots practice test, like biology words. Press start, and you select a time. Oh, let's play for a minute. Start. Yes, play for a minute, and then it goes through the root words that you could get if you get it right. Then it lights up green, takes you to the next one, and it adds your score. That's the start. Okay. And the next thing is also game, and this is like the main biology standards part. The select categories is all your biology standards. You can turn on just one of them, say the interdependent standard. Okay, you press on and you are ready to go. And then you click your time and you say okay, 30 seconds, and then press done, go. Interdependence for 30 seconds, start. Bam. Putting a road through a wetland is an example of this. Okay, habitat destruction. Got it. Phragmites are a taller, stronger rooted grass and cattails. Why are people trying to limit the spread? Oh, that was from the other game that we didn't finish. Why are people trying to limit the spread of Phragmites in the wetlands of Indiana? Then it talks about that. That's the game part. And when the game is over, you are prompted to share, and you can share those scores by emailing friends or your teacher, texting, putting them Facebook or tweeting. Now, if you have like iPads, you're not connected to the internet, it'll tell you that. And if you don't allow tweeting or Facebook at the school, then it will close this window out as soon as it comes up because it doesn't allow access. Same thing with tweeting. But emailing, you can just email it right away, and it sets up a score right there for you, and all you have to do is type in your teacher name, and you've got it. The score sent to you. Okay, delete that draft. And then another functionality. So games, you do the questions based on time. Mastery, you do the questions based on how many you want to get right. So you can turn on a couple standards and press done, press go. Oh, didn't select the number of questions. So then I want to go until I master, say, 5 questions. We'll master 5. Then I press done, go. 5 questions I'm going to master in those 2 sections. I press start. What something is made out of is shape, that's structure. There's one I mastered. Proteins, DNA, starch are examples of these molecules made of many pieces. Polymers. Most people have 23 of these in each sex cell. Chromosomes. I'm mastering these right now. Notice how there's no time here. And notice how every question has a standard with it. This part of the phospholipid hates water. The lipid part. And then finally, I have 1 question left to master. This may shrivel if a cell is placed in a hypertonic solution. The cell membrane. Finished. Final score. I can share my mastery as well. And it creates I scored 20. And on the mastery mode, you type in your email. Delete draft. Finally, there is the custom section where you can add questions. Answer your question, correct answer, distractor, and then all of a sudden you have as many different questions as you want. I'm just going to type in something goofy. Water. And then the answer would be maybe hydro. This is hard to watch the screen. And then deep. I don't know. Depth. Sure. Return. Save it. And now I have a question. And I can play a game with that question. Oh, let's select time. Let's go with 30 seconds with my 1 question. Done. Oh, game. Go. I haven't selected time. 30 seconds. I did. Done. Go. Water, is it DEP or hydro? That's hydro. Got it. Yes, 4 points. But you can add as many questions as you want. back. Then I could also play that in mastery mode too. Back. Finally, reference section. Reference has a glossary that you can go through. It has analogies and similes. So, for example, cilia, like hairs on a towel. Or a codominant trait, a compromise between two alleles. They both get to be expressed. Combustion, like vaporizing something. That is the similes part. Okay? And that is bio on the go.